Hey there knowledge keepers, welcome back to my channel. Today we got an essential topic to cover. If you want to take full control of your WordPress website's navigation, I am Man, and in this video we'll dive into the world of WordPress menus and submenus, so you can organize your site like a pro. Let's get started. Before we jump into creating menus and submenus, let's understand what they are. WordPress menus are a fantastic way to structure and arrange your site's navigation. They allow you to add links to pages, posts, categories, and even custom links, making it easy for visitors to explore your content seamlessly. Alright, let's get our hands dirty to create your first menu. Head over to the WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and select Menus. From there, click Create a new menu and give it a catchy name like Main Menu or Header Navigation. With our menu set up, it's time to add some items. You can choose from pages, posts, custom links, and more. Simply check the boxes next to the items you want to include and hit Add to Menu. Now that we added some items, we can rearrange them by dragging and dropping. This way you have full control over the order in which they appear on your website. Submenus are a fantastic way to keep your menu organized and make it more user-friendly. Just drag a menu item slightly to the right beneath another item. It's become a submenu. Once your menu is ready, it's time to display it on your website. In the menu settings or the customizer, you can choose where to place your menu, where it's the primary menu, header menu, or a sidebar. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to enhance your navigation. Keep it concise. Use clear labels and consider your visitors' need when organizing your menu. Congratulations, you just mastered WordPress menus or submenus. Now you can create a user-friendly and organized navigation system that will impress your visitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy site building.